Welcome to another tutorial. I'm your host Fraser and this is a Create Vision video. Um, Back to input failure programs. Okay, in your input failure, inputs have to be handled or be validated before allowing any kind of processing or operation. Why? Because if an input is unhandled, it has the ability to crash a system. In other words, crash your programs. So in this video, I'm just demonstrating one of the simple ways on which you can validate an input to check that it's the right input that's required, and a way of clearing it if like it isn't. You see over here, I have this built-in function called clear, which restores the input stream to the desired effect, and then followed by me running my program once more. So let us build and run this to check how I've done it. So you build and run. Okay, so my name, okay, age, weight, and height, right? That is all perfectly inputted, and I can basically repeat that for you guys in order for you to see. Now, for instance, what if I ran my program and in my first instance I inputted my value in the wrong way? So let me just demonstrate how you could handle one of your inputs. So Fraser, age 10, and this time I start with a bunch of strings and I put my actual weight and my height. You see, onwards it wasn't able to run my program because I started with the wrong characters, and then if I were to do it again, same results would occur. But what if I were to do it in this manner? Okay, uh, you see, same thing would occur, but as you can see, I have another way of getting it right. You see, so you could have two statements, one in which you actually allow yourself to fix your input. So I done that by clearing first my buffer, clearing it, ignoring it, and then allowing myself to rerun the program. So that could be one of the ways in which you could fix your input uh, um, failure with a clear function, which would allow you to rerun your program. But what can you do in order for it to be able to do that? That's when you would add control functions, control mechanisms. So you would, for instance, have a if function, you would have a while loop, and all that jazz. So you have to make sure you find a way to handle the issue of input failures, because input failures have a potential to crash your system, crash your program, causing problems that are unnecessary. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.